Alright, this goes out to everybody with the Mustang 4.6 Mustang Cobras. I was on a couple of forums and found out you guys were having a lot of problems with a knocking noise coming from under the engine. Well, mine has the same problem. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I found out that the problem is. And I've got my engine out. I'm going to go up under the engine here. Let me get situated. And if we go under the engine here, I've got mine out on a stand. And we can look up here and you can see the crankshaft and the rods. Well, let me see if we can see which one it is here. There we go, right there. There's actually two of them. Right there. Spun rod bearings. Now, what I found out on mine is that you cannot just replace the rod bearings. What you're gonna have to do is buy the kit and replace the whole crankshaft, including all the rod bearings. But when you do this on these Mustangs, make sure that you mark all of your timing points. I use silver paint for mine, but you want to mark every spot where there is a timing mark. You want to mark all of it with silver paint so that it shows from the rest of the chain. And the reason being is you cannot have these things not even one tooth off in the timing. All the timing has to be right back exact where it was. So therefore, boys, put it on top dead center before you pull your cover off. After you do that, mark all of your timing marks. Then you can go ahead and pull everything apart and redo everything. But make sure your chain is marked good. Peace out. Get back with you guys when it's done.